Hi, as we can see that coal is coming downside, and if we look at Forex factory, there is no any such important news for today. So coming to the chart and looking at H4, we can clearly see that uh, gold has made a change of character over here, and now coming down to take it may take support at this level, and this is the last support in the structure according to SMC. And if gold break this last support, which is about to 32.44, then we can say gold may come more down in sell side. But till now, uh, we will look buying first at this point. Further, we will analyze it by drawing. As previously we have discussed that there are liquidity being gathered, and market may take the liquidity which has been taken at this point. Then we analyze that here again liquidity which is made may gold take this, and it already has been taken. You can see our previous analysis on our channel. So today we will see that what gold can do, and if we see that this is the support in structure as change of character has been made here, so gold can take support from this area. To clear the chart, first we remove all of this US chart drawing, and we will draw some new one. So for new, we will take this, and if we come to H1, we can clearly see that H4 is better for this. We can see that this is the last support. Under black, which has been made in structure in H4. We will see buying from this area after confirmation. If we see any strong confirmation for buying, then we will trade for buy for the upside till this area, and further we will decide on its structure. But if we see any confirmation, we will buy till this area, which is about 33, 34, 30. So it will be safe for our maximum target before crossing this area in buying. And if we didn't get any confirmation here, then this is the last support in structure. And we will see which can also be known as a double bottom area. So if gold has go to upside in buying direction, then this should not to be break. Liquidity can be taken, as we can see double bottom already has been made, and may gold take the liquidity from these two bottoms, and it will give a very good buying from this area till which we have already discussed, 33.30 or 33.35. So we will see first buying in this zone, and they will also give us some good move in buying also. But if further gold come down and break this area after giving a little bit buying, If gold come again down, that it will break this this bottom area, and we can further see down momentum as liquidity has been gathered in this area, and market will take this liquidity. But this is the after but this is the scenario which we will see when gold break the double bottom area. We will mention some dollar at this point to make it a liquidity area. So gold has made this liquidity area, and we will see after the sweep of this liquidity, gold can give us again a very beautiful buying. And for buying, we will draw a line over here. So after sweeping of this liquidity, we will look again for buying. Buying is very safe as gold structure in all major time frame is in buying, and as we can see the current scenario of the world economics. So if we do buying with proper risk management, it can give us a very safe trade. So do demo trading, do not trade on real account. It's for educational purpose, and we just do analysis, and we are not financial advisor. It's an educational channel. Hope you would found this very useful. Keep supporting us, subscribe our channel. We will meet again in a very beautiful video. Till then, bye.